Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to activate Western Union account. To activate your Western Union account, you will need to follow these simple steps. First of all, open a web browser and go to the URL box and type in westernunion.com and search. Doing this will take you to the official website for Western Union. From the main homepage, click on Login at the top right corner. In the Login area, go ahead and look for the Register option if you don't have an account yet. On the next page, type in an email address you'd like to sign up with. After you do that, create a password for yourself on the next field. Now click on Register at the bottom. Now, on the next page, you will need to verify your email. Type in the 4-digit PIN that has been sent to your email. Open up the email from Western Union and then copy the 4-digit PIN that you received. Paste in the PIN by getting back to the Western Union tab and click Register. Soon after you do that, you will then be able to open up and activate your Western Union account. And that is how you can easily activate your Western Union account. Now go check your email and you will be able to see the activation response. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.